Welcome to the YouTube channel of the Mobitru platform. In this video, we will check step by step how to use the Mobitru and Appium Inspector integration so that you can speed up your tests. The first thing you need to do is to have the Appium Inspector on your computer. You can either visit the official Appium Inspector GitHub and download it from there, or you can use the app that has already been installed on your local machine. The main thing here is to make sure that you have a version from November 1st, 2023 on Euro. After opening the application, check the providers list and choose Mobitru. You should see the Start Session screen with 3 mandatory fields for specifying the connection details and Desired Capabilities section for specifying the Appium session information. Let's check what to do with the Mobitru WebDriver URL and Mobitru Billing Unit fields. The Mobitru WebDriver URL has a pre-filled value, so if you are working on devices on the appMobitru.com domain, you do not need to change it. If your device is placed on another instance, specify it in the field. The Mobitru Billing Unit field depends on the account. If you work under the personal account, when you see your name and surname in the top right corner, do not change the value. If you see your team name in the top right corner, type it in the field. The next step relates to generating a Mobitru Access Key. You need to click on the account menu in the top right corner, choose User Settings and click on Add Access Key. Copy the value and paste it into the Mobitru Access Key field. Make sure that the account for which the key was generated and the Mobitru Billing Unit field value are the same. With the help of the Mobitru API that can be found in the support menu, you need to perform the next actions before starting the Appium session. Upload your application to the Mobitru internal storage. After that, it will be available for installation on a device. Take a device for installing the app and further interaction in a new session. The last step is specifying application details in the Desired Capabilities section. It's enough to provide only the required fields such as platformName, automationName, device UDID, appPackage, and appActivity. Where to find them? AutomationName and platformName are Appium-based and can be taken from the official documentation. You can copy the device UDID from the Mobitru API response, which you received when you took a device. App details like the package name and activity value can be found in the application code or can be received from developers. When all the details are specified, start the session. You will see the first screen of your application if everything is provided correctly. After that, you can work with the following features. Read the objects tree and review the attributes of elements. You can interact with selected elements, for example, enter data into text fields or click on a button. As you can see, the inspector refreshes the DOM after every action. Also, you can record all your actions and then receive a code sample for them. The code sample generation is supported for different programming languages. At the same time, it's possible to interact with the device. For example, you can change the orientation from portrait to landscape or get the device system time. The Appium Inspector has many other features which are described on the official GitHub page, and most of them apply to Mobitru and devices on our platform. In case of questions, feel free to contact the Mobitru support team. If the video is useful for you, do not forget to like it.